Shakes and when she starts down by the river Nile, the boys will take their old sweethearts and throw them to the crocodile. And every sheik in the audience jumps up and yells that she's immense. Oh, my, they love Egyptian Ella.
I went a gathering down by the wood where the flea gnats swarm and the padderflies brood and the sniff grass grows to the tip of your nose, where nobody goes and nobody goes. Fortunes tell of the tail snatch girl in the cool calm waters of the Methven pool, where she makes her home in the lily white foam, and nobody knows and nobody knows. Amidst the ferns and the toadstool pips, a straw dust part set upon my lips, and my head thirst led to a dark stream bed where the black water flows, the black water flows. I lost me wits and me feet on the ground, me left from me right and me up from me down, for to see the lass with the ivory sash in the waters below, the waters below. For to share the gaze of a maiden so fair is